Okay.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Today we are going to do installation of Formula X onto my brand new CB350 Highness. So guys, this particular product is going to help us not have punctures. So if there is a puncture, you just need to follow the process what I'm going to talk about, and it's going to seal the puncture. So let's get started. So this particular box comes with two pouches of fluid. One is 500 ml and one is 325 ml. The 500 ml is for the rear tire and 325 ml is for the front tire. And guys, this comes with a squeezer. This comes with a squeezer to squeeze out the entire pack, and also a pipe and a tool to remove the ball pin. So guys, let's get started. We are at the Shell petrol pump on Vittal Malia Road. So why petrol pump? Because I do not have a automated air pump at my home, hence I'm trying to do it here. So let's start with the rear wheel first. So first we have to just put the tire in preferably 6 o'clock position, and use this particular side of the ball pin remover to remove the air completely. And just be careful guys, the ball pin might fly off. Please make sure the air is taken out completely, and then the ball pin kept safely, because you need to put it back in a while. All right, so now let's get to the 500 ml pack, right? So all we need to do is just open this up. So let's mix it well first.
Give it a bit of shake.
Yeah, just shake it up so that the particles inside get well mixed and you don't have lumps. All right, so guys, in this they have also provided a small pin in case you experience some clogging. You need to use this particular pin to clear the clog. Okay, let's get ahead and start pumping in the fluid. This is an adapter what you need to use.
So it's got a threading, is it, in the adapter?
Yes, it's got a threading.
So you should not push it in, you should thread it in.
Yeah, you just thread it in a little bit and then connect this particular pipe to your valve. Okay, before that, let's release some air and get it till here.
This is the liquid, guys. You can see the bluish thing coming out. So yeah, this is the one.
Now just put it in.
Yeah, you have to put a bit of effort for the pipe to catch the valve, and then
Now we are
start squeezing.
all set. And make sure guys, you squeeze out the pack completely into your tire, because that's the required quantity for this size tire.
Yeah, if you look closely, you can see the liquid traveling.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can see the liquid traveling. It's all going inside the tire.
So I hope I have squeezed it in completely,
Yeah, looks like.
and yeah, it's totally empty, guys.
So job done, is it?
So we're done with this tire. So now time to
Just pull it out.
pull this off and
Yeah, give it a bit of a yank. Yeah, that's it. It's free.
now
Put
got to
the
put the
valve back.
pin back and ensure the position does not change in the tire position. So yeah, this way. Tighten this carefully. Yeah, so that's done, guys.
That's all.
Yes, that's
That
about
was
it.
amazingly easy, man.
That's about it, guys. And let's quickly move to the front tire. Before that, same process.
Yeah, give it a good shake. Give it a good mix. Because what I want to tell here is, in the formula itself, there are pieces of rubber, I believe, which are
Yeah.
mixed. Okay, so that's how the whole thing is designed and formulated. You want the solution and the rubber particles inside to mix very well, right? Otherwise you will get lumps.
So same process, guys, again. Now we are going to pull out the valve, release the air slowly.
So is it fair to say that anybody sitting at home can just order this pack on Amazon and
Absolutely.
do it by himself?
Absolutely, guys. So I just got this on Amazon
Yeah, yeah.
and I'm doing it.
So Vinay will also leave the Amazon link to purchase this in this video. And it's worth remembering that if you ask the shop guys to do this, they charge you another 150 rupees or 200 rupees or so, depending on where you are. So it's an opportunity to save 200 rupees. That's the opportunity this video is creating, hopefully.
All right. So just I'm trying to put the tube back to the new pack here. And now it's time to pump this into the front tire. All right, here we go. Guys, you can see the liquid moving. We try to pull this back as I go up. So guys, looks like we have hit a clog. So now we need to use the pin to clear the clog. So it's very normal. We can get these clogs happening. So you can see the clog here. So we just need to use this pin and clear the clog.
Clear the way.
So it's very normal, guys. So the instructions also tell about this in the manual, what is provided in the box. So if you hit a clog, please don't get worried about it. So just clear the clog and proceed further. I think it's a bad clog. Okay, there we go. It should get in. No. Seems like it's clogging, guys. So, not sure why. It's pretty hot weather here as well. Okay, so clog is cleared and liquid is moving again. And guys, so we are at the end of it.
Yeah, all done.
So we have all done. Let me pull this off and just clear this a bit and put the pin back. So this is the pin, guys. Just need to put it back and tighten this up. Okay, all right. So guys, we are just done with the process of installing the liquid. Now we are just going to fill the air back into the tire as per the recommended pressure, and then after that, as per the instructions, it is very important to ride the bike immediately for 10 kilometers under the speed of 40 kmph. Please ensure it is done. You ride under 40 km per hour for 10 kilometers for the liquid to coat your patch area. This contact area needs to be coated inside, which is where the puncture will happen. And that's a very important step for us to follow. Otherwise, the product would not be efficient. It would not mix well. Yeah. So that's about it, guys. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.